professional development with other teachers has been some of the best professional development I've ever had. I get to work with an exciting group of teachers who are motivated, who are interested in science, who are interested in bringing these kinds of experiences to their classroom. Some of them teach in areas that are similar to mine, some of them different, but it helps me come up with new things and helps me reach my students better.
I couldn't have taught biotechnology the first year that I taught it without the ABE program.
My students have come back to me and have been incredibly grateful for having had the hands-on experience with real science tools.
I remember, first coming in and seeing all the equipment, like the micropipettes and the gel electrophoresis chambers, and thinking, what is this? What are these tools? Freshman year of high school, you don't expect to be using these tools that, maybe a PhD student is also using.